What's up YouTube? My name's David and I'm going to do a review on the Noxsus RDA and the Snowwolf V-Fing 230, I do believe. I bought the Noxsus maybe, let's think, I probably bought it maybe almost 2 weeks ago. It did have 2 coils in it. I broke one. I popped one in, and so far it's been a great tank. Little leaking, it's gonna happen with RDAs. But this Snowwolf, I will admit, I found it going to a gas station. I looked to see who owned it. Nobody claimed it. So I took it home. It had the prints, smock prints. Horrible tank. I think. Horrible. The atomizers are hard to find. Atomizers burn out way too easy. Well, that's what you're gonna find with smock tanks anyway. Alright. But let's vape on it. 90 watts. Not a big cloud, but it keeps me going. It's my, I used to vape a while back and I just got back into it. Love the setup. Love it. And as far as I know, you can find the V-Fing on vape sites for about 70 bucks. I did find it on one website about 170, but it comes in a squonk, and it comes in the regular mod, and it comes with, those ain't my original batteries. '18 650s, greens, and I love it. It's a badass mod, and this tank, you can find it on some websites for $28. I bought mine for $15 used, but for it being a used tank, awesome. Love it. Hold on guys, I gotta put my batteries back in. But the batteries I got in it now, they came out of shit, portable chargers for phones and shit. And I got a set charging, I got a set in here, and I got the original greens that just fell on the floor. And what I'm vaping on is a mix that I made. It's blue slush with melon moonshine and 3 drops of coffee cream. Yeah, I know it sounds weird, but it's actually a pretty good set. And then I got my coffee cream somewhere. Oh, it's in my pocket. But if you ever come across one, Noxsus or the tank. Oh, the Noxsus is a 22mm RDA. There is a flaw. The build deck sucks to build on. But that's the only flaw I have it. And the bottom, see those little, well, I don't know if you can see, but all the airflow is at the bottom, and it comes on, it's all 4 sides. And it comes with, it's a 810 drip tip with the 510 adapter. For the setup that I got, It's not a bad price. Well, free for one, and $15 for the tank that I bought. It's really not a bad setup. It's not at all. I mean, it don't chuck a mean one, but it chucks it out. But here, let me put some on the cotton again, and let's chuck another one. Hey, it chucked a mean one that time. But I mean, if you come across either one, I'd recommend picking them up. Yeah, I'm just starting out. If y'all like it, subscribe, like, leave a comment, do whatever. Alright guys, peace.